So as soon as I plug in the electric plug is on, as you can see the light, and here is my EEDOMUS. So okay, the time is expired, but I try it again. I relaunch the connection in Z-Wave and I click 3 times on my device, like usual. Now my EEDOMUS recognizes the plug, okay? Just one moment that it finish to link with the electric plug I received. I can assure that EEDOMUS gateway is just 5 meters from the test table, so it means the Z-Wave connection is very good. This time lapse is always the same for any device. It means that it takes a lot of time to join the Z-Wave network. This is the first problem. It takes too much time to be recognized, and at the end we will see that the device will be recognized as a generic device. This happens with any devices that are recognized. There are some devices that are not recognized at all, so this process stops immediately during the search phase, and the box is not able at all to join the device. Or the device is not able at all to join the box. That is the same. I force a refresh of the page. Okay, and we can see under configuration there are already some devices, and we have our electric plug here that is present, that we can configure. Okay. This has been detected as electric device. We can see the values that it can assume on, off. The macros, there are no macros by default. The associated rule, there are no associated rule by default. And the Z-Wave parameter. Between the list of Z-Wave parameter, I have just the basic command or meter, but there is no documentation related to this device, so I don't know which kind of parameter I have to use, so which value is associated to which parameter. Nothing is present in the box, nothing has been sent by the seller, so it is absolutely not possible to manage remotely this device using the Z-Wave network. Okay, the optimized mode is working, all other is method reset, method supported get. We try to send this command, we don't know what it's doing, so we can see that the status is in progress because it's querying the device concerning meter supported get, so to acquire the supported meter, and we are waiting for an answer from the device. The device is here, connected properly. So we just received the answer right now, and this is the result. Okay, scale supported 55, meter type on, rate type on, meter reset on. The problem is that we don't know what this parameter means because there is no documentation again. So now what we would like to know is the energy used, consumed by a device. So for example, I'm connecting this electric adapter for my iPhone that is connected now to my iPhone, and I would like to use the feature of this device to measure the electricity. Okay, so I would like to know how much electricity I'm using. I can use, for example, I can connect, for example, other device to this electric plug, but for the moment I'm using a plug for mobile phone. So just go back here. We can see, for example, that the mechanical switch there is working. So I can put on and put off the electricity with the mechanical switch. But from eDomus here, I go back to home, and I want to see under technique how much my electric plug is consuming. So I put on my electric switch mechanically, and automatically the eDomus recognizes that is on. My mobile phone is charging, it's okay, but I don't have any information concerning the consumption. So this is a missing feature that it was on the description. Even if I change the display type, I use cursor, for example, is just one on-off. The curve is on-off, of course. There is really not one-click activation. There is really no information concerning the consumption. And if I go back to the device configuration, due to the fact that I don't have any parameter, any documentation how to configure the electric consumption, and in addition, due to the fact that is only recognized as electric device, okay, I don't have this information. If I go back on power, okay, this is the power, okay, this is the associated, but I don't have any information. Go back on home, we go on power, technique. So we don't have this kind of information. There is no presence at all concerning this electric plug. The only information about values is the status, as you can see here, on off, not consumption. Okay? So, thank you so much. I will record now the next video. Thank you.